ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kumasan post MA bat ke berpau baha ke kod admission nak kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingtip bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum. Ke Little Star Higher Secondary School Baridwa ke school kebadan hatem ribhoi sasisian ke tingshan hak result secondary school living certificate belapin mana dari Meghalaya Board of School Education hak pusau trip ujemang arajar pusau limbo Khynnah Koirala ublayo yang kedan 17 position hak top 20. Unukna uday job ru yang kedan first position hak Meghalaya Chemistry Olympiad belapin long the USTM host nam arajar puar. Principal jang Little Star Higher Secondary School Buridwa UBN Sharma bagi headmistress Khynnah Sharma kil ai khublai kerpang yau Khynnah Koirala halor kani ke jing job jang namar bagi jing 3 minute ha ki jing pule.
I felt very excited at the time I heard the news that I got 17th position in Meghalaya, and it was all my hard work and hard work of others that I have secured the 17th position. And my message for the students is that they have to be consistent in their studies. They have to give focus into their studies. They have to look after themselves also. They have to take care of their health, and they have to focus on their studies in the most effective way possible. Yes, I am familiar with this, and I am feeling like the River district is not so developed well, and the schools are also like very poor also. Some schools are very poor, and the students, they are working very hard, and other schools also they are trying. They have got also some positions, I feel that, and they are trying to get good marks, and I give the best wishes to them. One more message for the students of the different places from Meghalaya. In school, every student studies for at least 6 to 8 hours, and the teachers also, they give their 100% in the school. But after they go to their house, what they do, that depends on the result. Means their result depends on what they do after they go to their house. How much they study, how much they self-study in their house, that depends. And their result will come out good if they do study well in their house. And if they don't, the result will come out worse. It will come out bad. They must do consistent study with focus, not all day, all night, but for a particular period of time, like 4 to 5 hours. But they have to be focused, they have to be concentrated. No distractions must be in front of them. And if they do this type of study in an effective way, efficient way, the result will come out to be good.
The combined effect of our teaching staff and plus the student who has put everything on the track to achieve this position. It is not only the credit for a particular person, but it is a team effort. Until and unless we work together, we will not be able to secure good marks. No doubt, we are still not in that zone of highly securing position, but soon, very soon, we will upgrade ourselves, and we really hope that we will find a better position, and we will be consistently providing a position, or so to say guidance to the student, where they will be able to show their hidden talent, and we will keep on encouraging one another. This is just a message for the youngster, where there was a myth that particular subject will be very tough or it is difficult to score good marks. Today we have proved something, and I really hope that this will be inspiring to other students, and they will come up with brilliant dedication, and they will produce a very, very good result in future. I am very, very proud, and thank you once again to the teacher, headmaster, headmistress, and the boy himself who has put lot of effort in his studies. I am very, very grateful to all of you.
I am very happy to see the good performance of the Sslc or Sslc result. So one of the students, Khynnah Koirala, he got the 70th position in Meghalaya Board of School Education. So I'm very happy to got such type of the results. We have been providing the 100% results each year. But this time we got to the position also. So I hope it will be continued in next year or coming years.
Today I am very happy. I cannot express in words because our student, one of the student, Khynnah, he is a very good student, very polite, honest, and not only academic side, he is a very good in Sslc activities also. Whenever he go for the science exhibition, anywhere, he used to get a prize. The last time also from the US STEM organization, as chemistry Olympiad, there also he got from the Olympiad district. So I hope he will do his best in the future also. So I think he can do more, I think, but I think something is less or not, but he gave 100%. And according to us, we thought he will go more in a 10 position, but something is lacking. I think in the future also we try where he is lacking, we will keep in our mind and we try to help to our student. And I thank all the faculty and school organization also authority to give lots of opportunity for the student.